time to see these beautiful purple lights. Let's see. Should just pull start. Oh yeah! Look how dope those look! Welcome back to another video. We're going to be working on the Polaris Indy 580. And we're going to be spicing her up. She's covered in dirt from the last time we went ripping. And we're also going to install custom purple gauge lights. So that's going to be super sweet. And yeah, let's just get into the video where we start working on it, because we're getting a lot of snow this week. Or for Illinois, it's a lot of snow. It's like 6 inches. And that should be enough to go snowmobiling. So yeah, we gotta tune her up, clean her up, and make her look nice. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so here are the gauges. They light up a yellowy color. The ones I'm gonna throw on right here are these LED purple ones. They look white, but they illuminate as purple. So I'm gonna fire the snowmobile up real quick so you can see a little before and then after shot. So I'm gonna open up the garage and fire up this unit so you can see the yellow lights. It is so cold, let me tell you. I haven't started this in weeks, like almost I'd say almost a month. So we'll see how she does. Oh boy. Start it because the lights only light up when it's running, but as you can see, that's what the gauges look like. They're like a yellowy color, and we're about to change that and make them look way better. So let's shut it off and remove the panel. As I currently air out the garage and freeze my butt off, what you want to do right here is there's 6 Allen screws, 3 at the top, 3 at the bottom. They're a size 4, so they are metric. Yeah, I just use my little Milwaukee right there, and I buzz them all out. And once you buzz them all out, you want to wiggle the panel piece out like that. And behind here, you just grab the wires like that and pull it out. So as you can see, this is just like a little standard light bulb thing. Like nothing crazy. It's not LED. It just shines a yellow light. Old school bulb. So there's the other one. They just slide out like that. And then what you're going to want to do, it's kind of hard with one hand, just pull it out. So there's what the old one looked like. And let me go get the new one. So here are our LED ones, as I've shown already. And all you're gonna do is bring it on over to the port right there, and you're just gonna push that down into the grommet, and you'll feel a little clip. You'll know it's going in. But I can't do this with one hand. Try and lighten it up. Oh no! Let me find it. Okay, a quick word from our sponsor. I'm joking. I don't have sponsorships, but if you're watching this video and you're like, man, that's pretty cool, and I want to do that to my sled too, and have something unique to show your buddies when you're out on the trails, well, you can, because I left a little link in my description of the kit I have, and I personally made it myself because I wanted some custom gauges for my snowmobile, but I could not find any kits out there for my snowmobile, or snowmobile gauges in general. So I just decided to make one. So for only 10 bucks, you can soup up your gauges on your snowmobile, and I think it's super worth it. It definitely looks sweet on mine, and I get a lot of compliments, as well as you'd be supporting a brother out and helping me with financially supporting all these projects, so I can make more content for you guys. And yeah, I just wanted to mention that. It'll be down there in the description. Let's get back into the video. Okay. Do not drop it down into there, because good luck finding it. I thankfully found mine, but you didn't see like the 30 minutes of me looking for it, so don't do what I do. So yeah, you just want to simply, I have you setting on my handlebars. You just want to simply pull that old one out just like how I did, and then the new one just simply snaps right into place like that. Boom. You have swapped out your bulb. As you can see over here on this side, I got my new one in on this side too. So now you just stick them back in their little grommet things, which are right, this is so difficult. Here we go. Boom. Just slides right back. You can't even see. It's so dark. Put the flashlight here. There you go. So right here, just push it back in. Very simple stuff. There's nothing crazy about it, no rocket science. And it's sealed. Do the same to the other side. Right here. Might be blurry, but oh well. Boom. You have now purple LEDs installed. So you want to push your panel piece back on like this. Once you snap it into place, put your screws in and fire it up. It'll look sweet. I will put my screws in and fire it up so you guys can see. This should look really nice. Time to see these beautiful purple lights. Let's see. Should just pull start. Oh yeah! Look how dope those look! Holy smokes, that's cool. I highly suggest everybody do this to their snowmobile. It just looks so good. Here, I'll shut off all the lights. That is just easily by far the coolest mod you can do to your snowmobile, I think. Your older one at least. The new ones you can do so much crazy stuff with them. But yeah, time to clean this girl up. So dirty. So let's get to it. Heating it back up in here, it's chilly. Here's the finished result. She's looking all nice and shiny. I did not clean the skis. I left the dirt on those, along with the footwell area right here. I left the dirt on it. That's metal. That's where the paint wore off, but that's dirt. Same with on the other side, there's dirt. Because I do want to paint these bottom footwells, and they wouldn't have paint stick to them too well if I put wax on it. So yeah. I took this thing off right here, which is the wire mesh that goes on the back side. And so right here on this, I painted them purple. You can't really see. I did dark purple because I wanted it to look black, which it certainly does from a distance. But then close up, you see that cool purple? That looks stinking sweet. So yeah, this piece right here is all black and rusty, so I'm gonna sand this down, primer it, and put it right there. So let's get to work on this thing. Look at this piece now, it's all nice and metal. So I'm gonna hit it with some primer, and then we're gonna hit it with some purple paint. But I was wire wheeling, and it flung up and hit me in the hand. So it got me pretty good. I think I'm up to date on my tetanus shot. We will see. So yeah, let's go get some primer and purple paint. it's kind of hard to see it, but it has turned out very nice. I'm just letting it dry up before we throw it back on. But I've been over here working on the snowmobile, and I'll show you what I've done. I've been wire wheeling the exhaust. So I haven't wire wheeled any of that, but I wire wheeled all down in here, and it's all nice and smooth now. And I'm gonna coat it with some high heat paint, make it nice and pretty. So I'm gonna keep wire wheeling, and I'm gonna paint. So the exhaust will look brand new. I've got the exhaust now all painted up. It's currently drying. There's some wet spots still. And once it all dries, it'll be like that flat black right there, and it'll look super sweet. And yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do for the engine area for now. We'll keep doing little small stuff here and there, like I wanna paint this valve cover. I think that'd be cool. And then you guys saw, I got the mesh back in. It looks sweet. Look at that thing. So yeah, just small things at a time. And eventually she'll be nice. But she's coming along, and can't wait to probably ride her this week with all the snow we're getting. So yeah, I'll post a video of some riding clips if that happens again, just like I did last time. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video of us tinkering on the Polaris XLT. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Bye.